people, and welcome back. This is a Soundgarden tune from the Super Unknown album, Blind Dogs. Let's get crack-a-lacking, shall we? Now this bad boy is in drop D tuning. Again, pretty straightforward for Soundgarden, and there's no weird and wonderful extra beats or any weird time signatures. So this is just some really awesome rock. Sounds very Led Zeppelin, this one. Starts off. But as per the tab, you don't fret the D string there. And again, and then an open low D. Then you're into this bad boy. And then you're into the verse. This is such a good riff, man. I love playing this. If you don't already know how to play this, God, you're in for a world of fun. Play along with the album, it's just brilliant. So, 2, 3, 5, from the D string down to the low D. Okay, I'm using my first, second and third fingers there. Then, first finger on the 3rd fret. Then, 3rd fret on the A string, you're going to play that once, and then you pluck it again and then slide immediately to the 5th, so you get this. And after that you do another couple of slides, so it's... So I'm picking twice there, and the rest is unpicked. So, slowly. I forgot there's an extra low D in there as well at the end of that riff. So the whole riff. And if you can leave those ringing out, so the 3rd fret, you get that really lovely overtone, which really makes the riff. So that's enough on that one. The last time round you just play. Now the tone changes in the verse, and I would just roll back my guitar volume basically. So you want to go. So you let a lot of it ring out. I've put up 2 versions of this because it does change subtly. First one though is just this. D5, but you're going to play the open A and D. Then you bring your 2nd finger onto the 3rd fret on the D. Then arpeggiate. That's the first part. Then 3-2 on the A, open D, G, slight bend as well, and the open D again. It's pretty straightforward. The other time he plays it, he just adds. So learn the first way first, and then you can add in. So all you're doing there is adding an additional in between and those 2 notes, right? And that is that. Now, it then goes around the whole thing another 2 times, I think, and then you've got this. And that loops round as well. Pretty straightforward stuff. It's just 10th fret. I'd count 1, 2, 3 there, and then you play 7th fret, half step bend and release, and again, but be careful with the timing. Then you play 5, 3, 0. Slide back up to the 5th. 3, 0. Then that, I'm not sure if he's arpeggiating that and letting it ring out. Anyway, so simple arpeggiation, and then you've got 5, 3, 5. 5 to 6 you do a quick grace note slide, okay, so and you just repeat it around again. There are some other overdubs in there, but I haven't gone into those. Now the penultimate riff is brilliant too. It's like a sort of middle 8 section. So, and that's played a slightly different way the second time as well, but let's go for this one first. It's a D chord. Take your second finger off and just play the kind of top 3. Then play the 3rd fret on the B. Slide up to the 5th and 6th fret. Yeah, a la PJ, so I'm sure Kim influenced that. And then you're going to play this little run. So it's a hammer on from the 3rd to the 5th, open G, 5, 4, 5 on the D, and then a hammer on, and then 3, 0. So slowly. I'm using my 1st and 3rd there. 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 1st, 3rd, 1st, 0. Okay. Second way you could play it is just to play which I hear him do sometimes as well. It's just basically playing those 2 and then straight up to that chord on the 5th fret. Last one is just Tony Iommi classic, isn't it? So open strings, just the low 3 for a bar, then slide up to the 12th. I do that with my 3rd finger, and then my 1st finger just plays 1 finger power chords. And you're done. Well, if that hasn't put a smile on your face, I do not know what will. So go learn it, play, enjoy. Cheers. See you later.